OPN webinar series. Today we'll be speaking to Michelle from sales. Also, I'm so sorry that we had a bit of a delay. We had some technical issues, but I'm going to let Michelle introduce herself, and then I'll play you a short clip about OPN.
Hi, I'm Michelle, and I'm in the sales team. So I will, the video will be played, and then I'll be telling you more about the OPN platform and all of the features that we have on it and how we can help your business.
Eco-friendly packaging for my new hand sanitizer. I don't know which source it.
Not to worry, Open Packaging Network will sort out all your packaging needs. Let me show you how easy it is. Log on to www.opnplatform.com and sign up with 4 easy steps. Create an account. Choose your company goal. Pick your main company product. Place your order. It's as easy as that. Once you signed up, you can find products from hundreds of sellers, make orders, chat to sellers, make secure payments, and so much more.
Wow, everything was so quick and easy with OPN.
Sign up today at www.opnplatform.com.
So a short and sweet way to explain what the OPN video was just trying to tell us is that the OPN platform is trying to make the industry in a sustainable way. But before I go into detail as to what features our platform has and how it will be able to help your business, OPN platform was founded in 2018 and our headquarters are in Switzerland. However, most of our team is across the entire world. For instance, I'm from South Africa. Our online marketplace, the OPN platform, is the only next generation B2B digital platform focused on global packaging industry. Armed with more than a decade's experience in packaging, procurement, sales, production, and distribution. We are wanting to help offline businesses grow quickly by digitizing their processes and moving online. We can all agree that the packaging industry has long suffered from challenges such as lengthy deal negotiations, lack of trust, quality of raw materials, non-transparent pricing, and I can go on with the list. And even by COVID-19, all of the industries have been affected, especially the packaging industry. And in these cases, the OPN platform is there to assist, as even in moments like this, everything will be avoided by going online. So about the OPN platform, it's a data-driven B2B platform that connects buyers and sellers and related services such as logistics, payments, trade finance, insurance, recycling, packaging waste. So these are some of the services and that we offer, and the features the things that buyers can do is they can access new global and local markets, source new products or suppliers in just a few clicks. Sellers, on the other hand, can introduce new materials to a worldwide market, and small, medium enterprises have the opportunity to enter the marketplace easily and affordably. Then one of our goals is to move into a greener future and leave a less carbon footprint, as we definitely want to make the earth a better place. And by going online, this allows us to not make a carbon footprint anywhere. With that said, I also would like to inform you that OPN platform was included in the Business Angels Investment Firms list of top 100 for the most promising startups for industrial transformation. So you can say that in the 2 years, nearly 3 years that we've been in the industry, that we have accomplished a lot, and we are growing every day more and more. So to tell you more about OPN platform, I'll be sharing my screen and I'll be showing you the services that we have available and the things that we will be doing. So our services include source product or place a request in just a few clicks. Bet a best price and bet an appropriate deal. Receive best freight rate and time for shipment. Invoice financing and credit risk insurance. Network of packaging industry professionals. Customer dedicated live support, access to the global and local market, which I do think is definitely for companies that are a little bit smaller. This will allow them to expand more and meet a new audience. And it's inevitable that you will make more sales by introducing your company to a new audience. market insights and analytics, you will have, you'll straight away have all of the information that is in the industry. You will know everything in real time. There's nothing will happen. It's nothing that you won't know, because everything will happen in real time. Connection to Alibaba and Amazon and other e-commerce, enterprise software integration. So these are some of the services that we definitely offer. OPN platform, I believe, in my personal belief, is that it's a network, and it's a platform that allows you to waste less time on closing a deal. And I believe most of the companies are wanting to decrease a sales cycle. And with that, once they decrease a sales cycle, I believe that clients have more trust in you as well as a company. Because you are closing the deal quickly, and because you're very quick and sufficient on everything that you do, it does build trust with clients. So OPN platform allows you to be able to do that. Then on that, so we've got 3 subscriptions that we have at the moment, which is the basic, the business, and the enterprise. With the pricing, and before I go into the 3 subscriptions that we have, if you can see, we will help you with access to the global market, as I said, which I do believe is something that most companies are striving for to do. Reduce packaging waste. We all want to save the world and make it a better place. And I think in this time of life, where a virus took over the world, it's definitely something that I think humanity would want to consider, is to help the world, and to make sure that we all stay here for a long time. And then we trust each other, definitely. Adopt innovation, transparency in supply chain, safe cost and procurement. And this is where, and definitely reduce sales cycle, as I said earlier. Safe cost and procurement is definitely something that's very, I think most companies are wanting to do. I believe that most companies are spending hundreds of thousands of dollars on marketing to be able to find sales or to close a lead. And as I said earlier, the packaging industry has been an ongoing and long process. But because of OPN platform, it's made it easier and quicker, and your sales cycle will definitely decrease. I have no doubt in that at all. And I definitely do believe that because our business plan, which I will go into right now, is our most popular subscription, it gives you enough features to be able to make more money. And I definitely think that will all companies would want to make money all the time. So to go into the 3 subscriptions that we have, which is the basic, the business, and the enterprise. Our basic plan is a free plan. You have a trial period on that. In my personal experience that I've seen, is that the basic plan only allows you to explore the platform and see what it does. As you can see, it only it allows you to have 1 order, 1 user, and you have 1 gig of document space. So I believe that the basic is definitely going to show you our platform, but it's not going to make you money, because it's obviously just to introduce you to us. And then on the business plan, so it's going at $290 a month. And I understand that most the questions that I get all the time, or things that they get to say to me, is that, yeah, it's maybe too expensive, or it's just not for us, or we're just not knowing what the platform actually can do. Well, I can tell you that, as I said, that you're spending a lot of money on finding leads and closing sales, and especially because of COVID-19 now, in this time, I think most companies are fighting even harder to sell something, and to find leads, and to find those special leads that will actually take you through the month, or through the year, or through the quarter. So our business plan, as you can see there, I've made a few notes by myself here as well. You get 15 orders and requests. Your company does get verified. I don't think it's telling you on there, but your company does get verified. You get 5 gig of document storage. You get 1,000 API calls. You get 2 market analytic reports. So as you can see, it says limited. I don't feel, personally, I believe that if you have an analytic report of the market, you would want to get it every second week so that you are preparing for the next 2 weeks. It's my preference, but I believe that all of these in the business plan is allowing you to definitely increase your sales online, and you're still being exposed to globally and to a new audience. And then to carry on with that, you get 1 automation tool, automation tools. You get 2 global sales channels integrations. You get support, which you see is email support right there. So you will have the support on if you need anything. Then you get 5 price alerts. So I believe that this is an area where you know exactly what's happening in the industry the whole time, and you are aware in real time with it. So I do believe that, I understand that most questions will come, okay, but how will this benefit my company? As I said, and I will keep saying it, as this is definitely something that I believe in, is that you are spending a lot of money at the moment, maybe to find the leads or to make a sale. My personal thing is that you're only paying $290 a month, and it's not a contract basis. It's a month-to-month subscription. If you're wanting to cancel, you can cancel the subscription. There's no contract. We're not signing you onto anything. It's what it is. It's just $290 a month, and we don't sign you onto anything. You just verify your company online, and you become part of the platform, and you actually do make money on this. And then to go on to the enterprise. The enterprise is $990 a month. I understand that for some it might be a little bit steep, but it's definitely value for money. So as you can see, you get unlimited orders and requests. Your company also gets a verification. Your document storage is 10 gig. Actually unlimited, my apologies. It's unlimited storage for your document. You can highlight in the market. You can have a highlight product in the market. Your company's logo will be displayed in the market. You get a premium product listing as well. You get 10,000 API calls. You get unlimited market analytic reports. So you'll be able to pull a report at any day of the week to be able to know more about it. You get automation and unlimited access to that. You mention in recommended companies. Your display logo in partnered ecosystem. Okay, so that's definitely also something that I believe most companies would want, is to definitely be out there and playing and showing who they are. Then you get tech support. You get a dedicated manager as well, as it says, it's dedicated support. So you get someone assigned. Trending feeds and price alerts. So it's unlimited. You will have complete access. There's no limit to the enterprise. It does come at a price, but I also believe that your return on investment on the enterprise you will be making at least between 5 and 9% return on investment. And I know most of the companies are going about how do I know my return on investment will be? Well, each company has a different return on investment. If you do look at return on investments, it's you might want more sales or more leads. Each company is to its own. But I do believe that if you look at an OPN platform, we are supplying everyone in one area where everything happens in a few clicks, and you'll be able to buy everything online in just a few clicks. So it's inevitable that you will make a return on investment when you have an entire world full of packaging industry suppliers and clients to work with. With that said as well, we are running a program that's a cashback at the moment. So you can get up to $500 back if you do join our business plan. And also, I wanted to add it in. If you do have any questions, please do pop it in into the comment box down here, and I will be able to answer it, or one of my colleagues will answer it online for you as well. So OPN platform, I believe, is a platform that will definitely change the industry completely. I've had a few questions of how will it benefit my company, and are you sure that this is the platform that will help my company? I've had the privilege to, and I'm going to use an example, to speak to a client this week, and he's got two companies, and both of them he's signing on. One is a smaller company and one is a bigger company. And both of them is, the one will be to get more exposure, and the other one will be to get more leads and sales. So it all depends on what your business needs is, but we as the OPN platform will be able to assist whatever needs you have. And I understand some people will say it's just too expensive, or it's not in my budget for this month. If it's not in your budget for this quarter or whatever, then I will be able to, you send me a mail, say, listen, Michelle, in 3 months, I'll be able to have a look at it. No problem. We can sort it out. I'll put you on the basic plan so that you can understand the platform so long. So by the time that you do come to planning your budget, you'll be able to work our business plan or even enterprise into it. There's a lot that I can still tell you about OPN platform, and I've had questions as well about what is the difference between e-commerce site and OPN and the OPN platform. Well, there are 6 differences: stocks and logistics, professions, business model, catalog, legal status, and technology. We are very different to an e-commerce site because of those reasons. We have there's a core benefit. There's more benefits that we have as well at OPN platform. The core benefits, I would say, and it's a centralized offer is definitely one that I agree with. The entire product range is centralized and distributed on one platform, from buying the product to shipping the product to making payment, all happens on one platform. If you do look at the packaging industry, this used to be a very long process of doing things, and now currently we've changed and we've created this platform where everything can happen in one. So OPN platform will be beneficial to your company, and whatever needs you have as a company, I am very sure, I believe in this, in OPN platform very much, is that we will be able to accommodate the needs that you have or the things that you require as a company. So I can go on until tomorrow and tell you about this product, but if you do make a decision to join the OPN platform, please do send me a mail or the company an email. I will respond, and I will discuss the needs that you directly have as a company. OPN platform has changed the industry, even in a lifetime like today, where COVID-19 took over. The industry is still carrying on. I understand that the circumstances are different in every country at the moment. I mean, in South Africa, we didn't have any alcohol or cigarettes for 5 months, and I mean that's just on that. And that was very sad for South Africans, but we are okay now. So now I believe that the OPN platform is different to any other platform and will change the industry. So I can tell you that, and tell you until tomorrow, that the OPN platform will change your company. But when you come to me with your needs and the things that you require or the questions that you might have, I will be able to answer those questions for you. And as I said earlier, if you do have any questions, please pop them down in the comment box for me to be able to answer them. I do see a few questions. Yes, everything can be done on the platform. What does the procurement process and can be done on the platform? Yes, it can definitely be done on the platform. Everything can be done on the platform. Like I said, everything from beginning to end is on the platform. If you register your company, you upload your products, you will, once you have want to sell a product, the platform will bring the buyers that you require to you directly. So OPN platform is literally everything in one place. It's not about you're not going out looking for things or using offline tech to find what you're looking for. It's all on one platform. So everything can be done on one. Okay. So, okay, I'm going to go through a few of the questions that I've had. Just one moment. Okay. So I've been asked in the past week, a frequently asked question that I've had is, once again, how can you benefit my company? OPN platform is wanting to assist your company to make more sales online and to not leave a carbon footprint. I am very much a believer in that. Also, another question that I've had a few times is that the product might be too expensive. And as I said, we are currently having a program where there's a cashback because we are assisting you, but your return on investment with OPN platform will be a lot. Not a lot. I'm between 5 and 9% is my belief that I've worked out. So on that, I believe every single client that comes to me and asks this question, I tell them the exact same thing, is that whatever your needs are, we can help you. We can definitely help you and we can assist in your needs. Okay, so to sign up on the process is that you go onto the website, and as you saw on the video that Jasmine played, you literally register your company, you make a little password, and please, this is a very important part, is to verify your email address. Once your email address is verified, you are able to have access to our platform. Once you're on the platform, you will be able to explore it and see exactly how it works to upload your product, how it works to see everything, how it works. But as I said, on the basic plan, and as you saw earlier, the features is very restricted on it because it's only allowing you to explore and see the platform. From signing up to sourcing, selling, okay. So that will also allow, once you've signed up, you'll have access, and you can also, it's a self-service on the website. So once you are on the basic plan, you can move over to the business plan straight away or the enterprise plan straight away. Even if you are on the enterprise and you want to go back to business, you are able to do that. There's no a restriction on that, and that's why we also don't have a contract basis, is that you can cancel it at any point because it's a month-to-month basis, and we are not trying to sign you to a contract at all, because OPN platform is all about helping your company make more sales and reduce cost on making those sales. So another question No, OPN does not take a cut from the deals made on the platform at all. Not at all. It's not what we do. So you pay a subscription to be able to use our platform and to be able to put your products onto the platform and showcase to globally. So with that, we don't take a cut on that. You pay the subscription to be on our platform, and we are more about assisting you in making money for your company. So we are just a little platform sitting here connecting everything together to ensure that the process is smoother, quicker, your sales cycle decreases, your exposure increases in the market, and that you make more sales. It's not, we do not take a cut on that. What can you access on a platform as a seller? As a seller, that you can, as I said earlier, you have access to market, and you're able to place your products on there. So that's what you were able to do. I'm sorry, I'm getting a little distracted with all of the questions coming in. But it's a really good thing. Everyone's asking questions. Definitely a very good thing. Just looking for the white paper. Okay, then are we restricted to buy from certain countries, or do we have access to a global market? Yes, no, you have access to a global market. Your company, you will be able to, you are meeting new clients, new suppliers on a constant basis. You are literally putting your country, your company in a global market. Everyone can see you, but however, your logo and everything will only be exposed if you do take up our enterprise plan. Are payments secure on the OPN platform? It's very secure. Definitely, it's one of the easiest things to do. We are using Stripe, which is very, very safe. Very, very safe. It's just very safe. I can't tell you more than that. Then just to answer another question that I've had before. So most people wonder about OPN platform as in total as to what we do. OPN platform is wanting to move the entire packaging industry online. And if we look at today's world, everything is moving online, everything is happening online. For me, for a great example to make is that there's only a specific, if you take any industry, there's only a specific group of companies that have made it online, and because of the industry. I believe that OPN has created something for an industry that hasn't gone online like this before, to be able to assist your business. We are about assisting you to make money. We are a platform. We are giving you a platform to make easy money. It's all about making easy money for you. Like I said, the only thing that the thing that I believe that most companies are looking for is to decrease a sales cycle. When a sales cycle gets too long, clients are easy to question the value of the product or the value of the company, and if it's trustworthy. And because it's too long, they're waiting and they're getting irritated, and I can go on with that, and we both know that. Well, me and all of you. Then, like I said, OPN platform is helping you to decrease the sales cycle, which will build more a better name and a better exposure with you as a company in the market, and it'll be easier to get more leads with your sales cycle that's decreased. It works in any company like that. It's my belief. How can I? Okay, let me just see. Process open. Okay. Why should I move my current offline sales process to OPN online digital solution? Well, everything is happening online. We are in a lifetime where everything is moving online, and the quicker things can get done, the better it will be for your company or for any company. When everything is online, we are not just saving or not making a carbon footprint, but we also are increasing. You are increasing your exposure, because if you look at today's people, everyone's online all of the time with whatever they have. They're always online, searching something, doing something online, being on Facebook or whatever it might be. Everything is online and happening online. So for you to have the exposure your company deserves, and for you to be able to open your company up to a new audience, it will be to go online to OPN platform, as you will be opened up to an entire new audience. Your company can then move globally. You'll get more sales in. Your sales cycles will decrease. Your trust, the trust the clients have in you will build. And within a short amount of time, OPN platform would have helped you become a bigger and much bigger company and world known, is my personal belief. Yes, you can. How can I ship my product after the deal? Once the deal has been made, you will have an option of which supplier to use to make the shipment, and your product will be shipped, and you will just follow the steps. As everything is online, everything is OPN platform has been made for all users to be able to use. It's not a difficult platform to understand. It's very simple, very straightforward, and with a few clicks. And that's why everything on OPN platform is just a few clicks. It's about just having to click once, twice, or 3 times to be able to close a deal and speak to a client. Also, you will find clients that are interested in your product. Once you've listed a product, or once you've wanting to buy something, you will be the correct word to use is that you'll be sourced to that specific client that's wanting the same needs or that. Another question. Okay. Just looking at a few questions. Okay. So for more information on OPN platform, you are more than welcome to send us an email. You are also able to go onto our website and see all of it, and even go and see the enterprise, the basic plan, and the business plan all together, and see what it will be able to give you. And then also we do have IPAC Expo, which will be in the next webinar, I believe, where it will be told more to you about that. That's all I can tell you about that. Also, let me just tell you about our, one moment. Okay, so for you to be able to find more information about OPN platform, you can just type in opnplatform.com, and you'll be able to go onto our website, see all of the pricing, see about IPAC Expo, see about how to register. That's where you'll be able to register your company as well, and just click on either the basic, the business, or the enterprise plan. However, I do think that is what I have to say to you about the OPN platform, and I do hope that your company will be able to see the value that we have, and we will be able to give you as a company. I do think that in order for you to increase your sales and to be exposed to a new audience, OPN platform is the way to go, and you'll be able to expose your company not only to that, but you'll be able to increase your trust with clients. So I do hope that I've explained enough. I maybe have trembled over my words a little bit, but I have tried to explain the OPN platform to you to the best of my ability. And I'm hoping to get a few emails from most of you to sign you up for the business or the enterprise or even the basic plan to explore. And then I would just like to say that I hope you all have a very wonderful afternoon or morning, or whichever day it is by you. It's late afternoon by me. So I hope that you all have a very good time, and thank you very much for joining the webinar and for listening to what OPN platform is about and how we can help your business.